everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, this is going to be another venture down the Abalone lane, or paua shell, depending on where you are. Patron, get down. Down. Oh, this cat. He's just already getting started today. So the colors that I have today, I have Old Gold by Artist Loft, Phthalo Blue by Liquitex Basics, which has been mixed with a bit of silver. I will show you what that color looks like. It has a very pretty shimmer to it. I have here silver and the metallic white in Artist Loft. I have here deep magenta mixed with metallic white and a touch of the Old Gold. And I have some color shift paint in Aqua Flash. And for my base coat, I will be having, pop some of those bubbles. This is the Aqua Green by Artist Loft with a bit of gold mixed in. Just to give it a little bit of shimmer. It will still be flatter than these colors, but will have just a touch, so it doesn't look unnaturally flat. These paints have been mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts golden pouring medium, gloss, and a couple of them needed a few drops of water to thin it out to the right consistency. Okay, this is a 10 by 20 canvas, and this will need a little over 7 ounces of paint for coverage. All right, I'm gonna put my paint in the cup first, and then I will lay down my base coat.
Runner-up, that's what I am to you. Runner-up, won't you admit that's true? Runner-up, it's written on your face. Runner-up, I came in second place, but I'll be just fine. The loss was yours, not mine. Runner-up, I treat you like a king, you treat her like a queen. You bow down at her feet when all she does is say to me. Runner-up, that's all I am to you. Runner-up, won't you admit that's true? But I'll be just fine. The loss was yours, not mine. Runner-up, I dove into your eyes. You said you felt the same. I feel like I was drowning when you gave the girl your name. Runner-up, it's written on your face. Runner-up, I came in second place. Well, I'll be just fine. The loss was yours, not mine. Runner-up, you played me like a second fiddle while you hedged your bets, and now she's left you for another, and you text me your regrets. Now I realize you're just the devil in disguise, so you can have this little ditty as your consolation prize. Runner-up, that's all I was to you. Runner-up, oh, you took the silver too. Runner-up, you made my heart to waste. Runner-up, how does that karma taste? Give it some time, I'm sure you'll be just fine. Runner-up, runner-up, that's all I am to you. Runner-up, oh, now you miss me too. Runner-up, that ship has done set sail. Runner-up, go chase some other tail. find a runner-up.
Okay, time for the base coat. Okay, one of the benefits of using a genuine artist pouring medium is that it does set out quickly. That can also be a drawback depending on what you're going for. But here I am actually looking for it to set up quickly. Okay, a lot more purple than I was expecting because that doesn't usually hang out very, very long. It kind of sinks and forms more of a hints of things.
colors back.
Okay, give me a minute. I seem to have a little bit of schmutz going on in something, but it looks to be one of the blues. Not sure which one, but that's a bummer. Not terrible though, because it actually kind of adds to the organic nature of an abalone shell. Not that this looks very much like one, but it's very pretty. These colors came out pretty. And what I'm doing here is, because this kind of wound up a little less than center, I want to bring this a little more to this side to balance that out. That's part of controlling the composition. Okay, here it is. Not exactly what I was going for. I got a lot more cells than I had anticipated. Kind of unusual. But it is still very pretty. The flash is just not showing up on the camera as usual, but it is very sparkly and has a lot of depth to it. The cells have a very 3D effect. And my gold didn't disperse, and neither did my purple as much as I had wanted them to. But it made for a very cool rainbow effect right there. So, although this is not exactly what I was going for, I'm not disappointed. It is very pretty. A lot more cells than I had anticipated, especially using just goldens. There's no Floetrol in this at all. But there it is. So I will keep trying, and I will keep coming up with pretty paintings because these colors just work really well together. That aqua flash right there, I can't really get a good... Ah, darn. Oh well. So, there it is. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined and want to help me stay stocked up in supplies so I can keep bringing you the groovy, fresh content. That's a great way to do it. Another great way is through the Amazon link. Most of the items that I use in my videos you can find in my Amazon store, However, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, using that link, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. And there was a section here I love that together. It's like the purple and magenta and gold together. All of that with the blue. Oh, I like it. Also in the description box is the link to our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Join us over there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Or just come get some inspiration. And last but not least, my website, ginadeluca.net. That is where you can find my art and my music for sale, including my brand new CD, Better Than Chocolate. Okay, you guys, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.